My name is Monica, and I just finished Danielle's Raw Vegan Chef certification course, and it was amazing. I learned a lot. What was most capturing for me was this mindset of there's no mistakes, only new opportunities. Learning how to flavor balance and learn if it's missing something sweet or something sour. Doing a lot of the recipes and even changing a few ingredients and tasting everything was really fun. And then getting to eat all the delicious food that we made was super amazing. Creating beauty and art with our plates and learning how to plate everything and just seeing the difference in plating of everyone and getting to see their own unique expression through that was just so beautiful. If you're thinking of doing the course, I definitely recommend because it was just spectacular. So thank you.